Carlleen Wilson, Homes by Carlleen, eXp Realty, and I'm here with another great local business. This is Tina Turner. Yes, I said Tina Turner. And she has wonderful natural products, all green, eco-friendly, pet-friendly, kid-friendly, all natural products. And she's going to explain a little bit about what she has created.
So I specialize in all natural, eco-friendly cleaning products, and I have a beautiful starter set here that contains just about everything that you would need to get started. Glass cleaner, all-purpose, linen spray, scouring, scrub. You get a beautiful little roll-on. And again, all of Christina's Clean Creations are all child safe and pet friendly.
And where are you located? Where can someone find you if they're looking for your products?
Yes, you can find the starter set at www.christinascleancreations.com, and it sells for $25, and it's a very affordable way to get started.
You can also find the other products there as well, so you can go log on, read all about the products. You ship locally, or actually you ship all over the U.S. and you deliver for free locally?
We have local delivery and we ship everywhere in the U.S.
Where else are you located? You're in a few locations?
We are in the Palm City Farms Produce and Market. We are in Peggy's Natural Foods. In Fort Pierce, we have the Traders Market opening soon, and we are in MSR Creations.
All right, great. All right, everyone, so if you would like to learn more, please log on. The website will be here in this video. You can find out all about Tina's products, Christina's Clean Creations. Learn more, read more, or make an order. All of her products are online, like I said, or at those locations. So have a great day, everyone.
Thank you.